This is how to transfer money from Binance to Payoneer. You can see this is my Payoneer account. So for you to do Binance to Payoneer transfer, you log on to both your Payoneer and your Binance account. This is my Binance account. In your Binance account, you come to trade. You click P2P. You are transferring USDT from Binance to Payoneer. That implies that you are selling your funds. You click sell. The easiest funds you can easily move is USDT from Binance to Payoneer. You select USDT. You come under all payments. You look for Payoneer. Because you are using Binance to fund Payoneer, you search for Payoneer here. Because we are looking for a third party, that is a peer that has a Payoneer account that you can transfer your money to in Binance, and the same peer will now fund your Payoneer in return. But as you can see, there's no Payoneer, but we can search. There's no Payoneer. This implies that there's no direct P2P Binance to Payoneer transaction as at the time of this video, but there's a way out. Another method we can use is locating a peer that you can transfer your funds from Binance to that has ATM account. So we look for ATM. Look at it. This is ATM. You select ATM. From this now, these are individuals that you can do P2P with, that you can move your money to ATM. But you will need to come to ATM. ATM is one of the best payment gateways in the world. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up, and you get a gift of $3 as a sign up bonus for using my link. So after you must have signed up to ATM, so our destination is Payoneer, but your money is in Binance. So you want to add the money in Binance to this place first. Suppose you are sending $60 from Binance to Payoneer. You type $60 to sort out the peers that can receive $60 here. Don't forget, you are sending this money to a peer here, so that this peer here will send this $60 to your ATM account. Your peer will come to ATM to now send the $60 equivalent amount to your account on ATM. The person will click payment. He will scroll down. He will select send. This send menu will allow you to send money from ATM to ATM. So this person will go to his ATM account and send the equivalent amount you sent to him or her on Binance to your account. He will click send. Suppose he's sending $60 to you, he will type $60. I don't have up to that. He will put your email address and write the note and click continue. Before you know it, you get this $60 in your account. Okay, we assume that your money is now on ATM. It's no more on Binance. You've transferred the money from Binance to ATM. The destination is Payoneer. For you to move your money from ATM to Payoneer, you click withdraw. You search for Payoneer because you want to move your money to Payoneer. You can see this is Payoneer. It depends on the currency you are dealing with. But since we are dealing with US dollar, we pick US dollar. The minimum amount you can move from ATM to Payoneer is $50. And all you need to do is to configure your Payoneer account. You add your Payoneer account on ATM. For you to get $50 to your Payoneer account, you transfer $53 to another peer. This third-party peer will now transfer the money to your account inside your Payoneer. That is how you transfer your money from Binance to Payoneer using ATM. This is one way that you can do it that will work for you, that I know as at the time of this video. Please, if you know any other ways, please drop your comment in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to claim your free $3 ATM sign-up bonus. My name is John. If this video has added value to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.